All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's part 3 or episode 6 of multiplying polynomials. So we've done, where we've taken a single term times a polynomial with 2 or 3 terms. We've taken a 2-term polynomial times a 2-term polynomial. Now the last thing we're going to do is look at a 2-term polynomial times a 3-term. And don't let this scare you. It's not that difficult if you just remember we're going to use our distributive property and make sure every term in the first polynomial gets multiplied by every term in the second. So if we do this, we're going to make sure that this c right here gets multiplied by 5c squared, which would be 5c to the third. It gets multiplied by that negative c, which would make it negative c squared. And it gets multiplied by the 6, which would make it plus 6c. Then you just do the same with the second one. Take this positive 2, multiply it by 5c squared, which would be positive 10c squared. Take your positive 2 times your negative c, which would make it negative 2c. And then finally, get your positive 2 times your positive 6 would be positive 12. So you should have 6 terms here. You've got 2 terms in the first one. You've got 3 terms in the second polynomial. That 2 times 3 is 6. You should have 6. Now let's just go through and make sure that we combine like terms. You got a 5c cubed, which is the largest, so we'll start with that. We've got a c squared here, and I've got a c squared here, so negative 1c squared plus 10c squared is positive 9c squared. Now let's go to the c's. I've got a 6c minus 2c, which is a plus 4c. And then finally at the very end, we got this plus 12, this constant, which we don't have anything to combine it with. So if you take a look at that, it's got 4 terms in its answer, and it's in standard form. You got your c cubed, then your c squared, then your c to the first, then your constant last. Okay? So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, for this week, there are 3 sets of practice assignments on there. I have listed. Make sure, again, that you're working with these. They're all doing multiplication. I think worksheet 8A, practice 2, is actually the same thing twice. It's named the same thing, but it's 2 different. It's actually 2 different worksheets. So look for the one that has multiplication. I've got all the answer keys online. If you have any questions, please feel free to come. Either text me, email me with any questions, comments, or concerns that you have. Okay. So have a good week. Stay safe. Stay healthy. From Mr. Mueller here. Talk to you later.